There's only one way to get into this video, and that is by telling you, just because of the name of it, do not diss it until you try it. I guarantee you that. I am very big on coffee cake, and I like experimenting, and this is a coffee cheesecake pie. Man, if you love coffee cake, this right here is a must try for you. We're gonna be using cream cheese, Cool Whip, powdered sugar, instant coffee, and a graham cracker crust. How can that not be an easy, delicious dessert? Now let's get into it. We're gonna start with 1.5 blocks of cream cheese. That is 12 ounces of cream cheese if you're going by ounce wise. Put that in a medium size mixing bowl. Also, put your Cool Whip into the mixing bowl. Everything is just all dumped in one bowl. Makes it very quick and easy. And also, I will add that it is a no-bake pie. That's the best way to go in it. You ain't got to work very much for something so delicious. And I already messed up. I'm gonna give this a quick mix before I add anything else, because I always like blending my cream cheese together before I start adding stuff to it. I just usually like doing that step before I add anything else in with the cream cheese. It's easier if your cheese isn't very soft to get it where it's not lumpy. But looks like my cream cheese was soft enough. It beat up very well in a nice way. So now we're gonna add 1 cup of powdered sugar. As well as 1 packet of instant coffee crystals. This is a 0.7 ounce. I'll put it up on the screen when I get a good look at the box. But it's just 1 pouch. And one of the kiddos was helping me make the test pie the other day, and they didn't think these crystals would actually dissolve into this powdered sugar and cream cheese, but as you mix it up, it dissolves just perfect. And 1 package is just enough for the flavor, but not too overwhelming to make it where you don't like it. Now we're gonna give it a quick mix again. Gotta scrape that bowl down, and it looks like that coffee is just in little chunks down in there, but as you're mixing it and putting it in the pie crust, I guarantee you it will dissolve and it will not be gritty. I would not ever share anything without testing it first if it's not a known recipe. And we already ate one pie, and we'll be eating on this one too. And now we're just gonna scoop this into a graham cracker crust. This is a normal size crust. This makes about just enough for it. And see right here, you can see as this coffee is dissolving into this mixture, as you're putting it in there and spreading it around, it's gonna dissolve in really good. Have any of y'all ever heard of a coffee pie? I have looked around for recipes and I could not find anything on a coffee pie. This is kind of hard to do left-handed. Maybe I can change without blocking y'all's view. And when we get through with this, we're gonna close it up and let it chill in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours before serving. There you go, on a spoon for me to get me a good taste after I quit filming. There is a coffee cheesecake.